Have you ever felt a tingling, needle-like pain in your legs when standing up? Or been jolted awake at night by leg cramps stretching from your calves to the soles of your feet? These are not just discomforts. They're classic symptoms of leg pain after 60 and may signal muscle loss, arthritis, nerve compression, or poor circulation. These issues don't just hurt. They increase the risk of falls and seriously reduce the quality of life for seniors. Even worse, there's one hidden cause that weakens aging legs every day, and most people over 60 don't recognize it until they need a cane. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 common causes of persistent leg pain in older adults and how to naturally and safely relieve them so you can take control of your pain and keep your legs strong and steady for years to come. If you think leg pain after 60 is a topic that really matters, comment number 1 below so I know, and I'll keep making more valuable content just for you. Cause 1, chronic leg pain. Leg pain after 60 often starts subtly, spreading from the calves to the knees, and gets more noticeable over time. You may feel soreness in the morning or a burning ache after just a few minutes of walking. These are signs of chronic leg pain, a common condition among seniors, but one that's frequently overlooked. It's not just age. Muscle inflammation, mild degeneration, prolonged sitting, or inactivity can all cause connective tissues to tighten, leading to lasting pain and loss of mobility. An effective and simple solution? Try daily leg stretches for pain. Just 5 minutes in the morning and before bed can soften muscles, reduce joint tension, and restore flexibility to your aging legs. Some types of pain may seem simple at first, yet they persist even after you've rested. And surprisingly, the cause isn't always in the muscles or joints. What comes next is an answer you probably never expected. Cause 2, poor circulation. Cold feet, numbness, or nighttime cramps may point to poor circulation, a key trigger of leg pain after 60. When blood doesn't flow well to your legs, muscles don't get enough oxygen or nutrients. The result? Heavy legs, soreness during walking, and slow recovery after movements. According to the U.S. National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, poor circulation is a major factor in reduced mobility for older adults and increases fall risk. The fix? Simple daily mobility tips. Walk for 15 to 20 minutes each morning, elevate your legs while resting, and use a warm towel massage to stimulate blood flow. Add circulation-boosting foods like ginger, garlic, and fatty fish to your meals. You don't need a lifestyle overhaul. Just a few small movements each day can help your legs breathe again. But not all pain is blood-related. Another cause may be locking your joints down, and it's more common than you think. Keep watching to learn why arthritis might be behind your leg pain. Cause 3, arthritis pain. If walking becomes difficult and standing or climbing stairs makes your knees or ankles hurt, you might be experiencing arthritis pain, a frequent form of leg pain after 60 that's often misunderstood. Many seniors believe rest helps relieve arthritis. In reality, inactivity stiffens joints and worsens inflammation. Others self-medicate with painkillers, ignoring root causes only to end up with stomach issues, liver damage, or medication dependence. Instead, start with natural remedies like applying warm compresses for 15 minutes nightly and eating anti-inflammatory foods like salmon, turmeric, and broccoli. Gentle massage with lavender or peppermint oil can also soothe joints and help your aging legs move more freely. With arthritis, it's not about avoiding movement. It's about learning to move correctly. If you want to go deeper into causes like walking pain, nighttime leg aches, circulation, or common mistakes, I've created a special playlist just for you. Inside, you'll find natural solutions, simple routines, and what to avoid, all drug-free and senior-friendly. Watch the playlist Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP. Tips in the description or comments section. You might just see yourself in one of those videos. But what if the pain isn't in your joints and it's not caused by your muscles, but instead comes from a place you'd never suspect? Stay with me and let's uncover why cause 4 is more alarming than you might think. Cause 4, nerve compression. Not all leg pain comes from muscles or joints. If you felt tingling or numbness from your hip to your calf, or weakness in one leg, you may be dealing with nerve compression, a serious form of leg pain after 60. It's often caused by poor posture, inactivity, or disc herniation pressing on spinal nerves. Left unchecked, nerve pressure can reduce sensation, delay reflexes, and increase fall risk. Carol from San Diego once thought it was just back pain spreading to the leg. But after ignoring it for months, her right leg weakened so much she needed a cane. Once she corrected her sitting posture, did morning yoga, and supported her back properly, she regained her stability. If your legs feel numb or slow to react, don't ignore it. Adjust how you sit, stand, and sleep, and choose safe exercises tailored for seniors to protect your aging legs. Even if you've improved posture and built better habits, there's one more cause that weakens your legs from within, and most don't even notice until it's too late. Cause 5, muscle loss. If you struggle to rise from a chair, feel leg weakness, or shaking even after short walks, you may be facing muscle loss, a silent but common cause of leg pain after 60. After midlife, we gradually lose muscle mass if we don't move and fuel properly. This quiet decline reduces balance, endurance, and flexibility in aging legs. Worse, many people over 60 don't recognize the problem. They eat regularly but don't get enough protein, sleep poorly, or skip resistance training, key components of muscle maintenance. You can fight back with smart senior health habits. Eat high-protein foods like fish, eggs, and beans. Do simple routines like chair stands every morning. Stick to a steady sleep schedule, and keep your spirits up. Your body can still recover if you start the right way and start today. You may eat well and exercise every morning, yet your legs still feel tired and cramp easily for no clear reason. Up next is the final cause, a crucial link in restoring strong, steady legs that most people overlook or underestimate. Cause 6, vitamin deficiency. If your legs feel sore, prone to cramps, or unusually weak despite healthy habits, you may have a vitamin deficiency, a stealthy cause of leg pain after 60. Lacking essential nutrients like D, B12, calcium, or magnesium can trigger muscle cramps, slow nerve signaling, and reduce your aging leg's ability to react quickly. Many older adults make common mistakes, supplementing only calcium without checking vitamin D levels, which are needed for absorption, thinking 3 meals a day are enough, or eating meals low in vegetables, seafood, and magnesium-rich seeds. Others skip routine blood tests, unaware they're lacking nutrients, or misuse supplements without medical guidance. The best fix? Start in your kitchen. Boil eggs for breakfast, steam salmon with ginger, or simmer black beans with shallots. Snack on roasted pumpkin seeds, and sauté dark leafy greens in sesame oil. Small cooking changes can bring big results, starting in the comfort of your home. You don't need anything complicated. Just understand the cause, choose the right solution, and begin with small actions like a well-balanced meal, a few leg stretches, or gentle daily movement. Over time, these habits build strength, restore confidence, and bring back the joy of walking freely without fear or dependence. If you enjoyed this content, leave a comment with the number 9 below. And feel free to share where you're living and what kind of leg issues you're experiencing. I'll send you a few simple yet highly effective tips just for you at the end of this video. And if you're looking for more solutions for your legs after 60, check out the playlist Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP. Tips, the link is in the description. You deserve to live comfortably, independently, and without being limited by leg pain.